Governor County Garissa Nadhif Jama Adam motimo limbe mar nono paw ndeke Garissa kendo yango ni chendo mag gedo mar pawno chiegni rumo. Nadhif maloso kod jofwambo bang' rango chal mar gedo mar pawno yango ni kochopo giko madweni ibiro yawe yanga. Yepo mare ok dhi bero mana wuoth e alworano to kata mana ohala kod dongruok mag uchumi. Jodak bende onyiso geno mar yudo tije poni gedo mare rumo kendo chako tich ayanga.
This ongoing works at the Garissa airstrip today, and it's impressive what I'm seeing, both in terms of the runway, which is being done by the national government to expand the same, to allow for more aircrafts to arrive here, more bigger aircraft to be able to be accommodated here. I'm happy that we are somewhere with this runway now, proper runway, with a larger, should I say, also parking area for the aircrafts, a modern runway as you can see. But of course, the works are yet to be completed. There's an extent of works yet to be done, including covering the area, landscaping the areas,